Creating a team project in Jira is essential for collaborative endeavors, particularly for the Land Acquisition and Development (LAD) team. This process involves documenting all phases and steps on a Confluence page to ensure everyone shares a unified understanding of the project's goals and activities. The LAD team's workflow consists of 4 phases, with 14 steps, starting with Phase 1, Identification and Initial Analysis. Here, the team identifies potential land deals aligning with strategic goals through market analysis and site identification. By employing high-level financial models, they quickly assess the feasibility of projects. In Phase 2, Due Diligence and Contract Negotiation, the focus shifts to securing promising sites under contract while conducting thorough investigations. Steps include engaging engineers for physical assessments and analyzing zoning requirements, utilities, and legal titles to uncover issues that could impede progress. A refined financial model is then presented for investment committee approval. Phase 3, Entitlement and Development, concentrates on obtaining legal permissions and permits for construction. Detailed site plans and construction drawings are developed and submitted to local authorities to begin land development activities. The goal is to create buildable lots ready for the home building teams. Finally, in Phase 4, Turnover and Project Closeout, the development team hands over finished lots to the home building division, ensuring a smooth transition into vertical construction. This structured approach in Jira ensures clarity, accountability, and efficiency throughout the project lifecycle, reinforcing the importance of detailed planning and communication in successful land acquisition and development projects.